Hey everyone, it's Dharma. Today let's talk about vitamin D. It's crucial for strong bones and a robust immune system. Many people are deficient and don't even know it. Let's dive into the top 5 signs of vitamin D deficiency you shouldn't ignore. Ready to prioritize your health? Keep watching. Feeling constantly tired, even after a good night's sleep? You're not alone. Many people wake up feeling just as tired as when they went to bed. It might be a vitamin D deficiency. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in our overall health. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium absorption, which is vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. It's also essential for muscle function and nerve transmission, ensuring that your body operates smoothly. Low levels can lead to fatigue and weakness, making it hard to get through your day. Think of your body as a car. Without enough fuel, it won't run smoothly. Without enough vitamin D, your body struggles to function at its best. Incorporating vitamin D-rich foods and supplements can make a big difference. Persistent fatigue, along with other symptoms, warrants a vitamin D check. Listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if needed. Don't brush off constant tiredness. It's your body's way of signaling that something might be off. It could be a sign something's not quite right. Taking action now can help you feel more energized and improve your overall well-being. Persistent bone pain, especially in your back, can be more than just a minor inconvenience. It could signal a vitamin D deficiency, a condition that often goes unnoticed. Vitamin D is vital for calcium absorption, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Without adequate vitamin D, your bones can become weakened, increasing the risk of fractures and other injuries. This deficiency can manifest as a dull ache or deep pain, particularly in your back, making everyday activities challenging. If you experience persistent back pain along with other symptoms like fatigue or muscle weakness, it's crucial to consult your doctor. Early detection and treatment are key to addressing these health concerns effectively. Don't ignore persistent aches and pains. They could be your body's way of signaling a deeper issue. Taking proactive steps like getting enough sunlight and considering supplements can help maintain your bone health and overall well-being. Catching every cold and flu? It could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D activates immune cells, crucial for fighting infections. Low levels weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. If you're frequently sick despite a healthy lifestyle, check your vitamin D levels. A simple blood test can determine if your levels are low. Your doctor can recommend steps to address the deficiency and support your immune system. Did you know vitamin D could play a significant role in mental health? It's not just about bones and immune function. Research has shown that vitamin D deficiency is linked to an increased risk of depression and mood swings. This connection is more profound than many realize. Vitamin D influences neurotransmitters like serotonin, which is crucial for mood regulation. Serotonin is often referred to as the feel-good hormone. Low levels of vitamin D might contribute to feelings of sadness and frequent mood swings. This deficiency can affect your overall emotional well-being. Depression is a complex condition with multiple contributing factors, but vitamin D deficiency can be one of them. It's important to consider all possible influences. If you're experiencing persistent sadness or mood swings, it's crucial to seek professional help. A healthcare provider can offer guidance and support. Addressing potential vitamin deficiencies, including vitamin D, could be part of the solution. Sometimes, a simple supplement can make a big difference in your mental health. Don't forget, natural sunlight is a great source of vitamin D. Spending time outdoors can boost your levels and improve your mood. Noticing that some wounds take forever to heal? It could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D stimulates compounds that help repair damaged tissue and fight infection. Low levels compromise your body's ability to heal, leading to slower wound healing. If your wounds are taking an unusually long time to heal, discuss vitamin D deficiency with your doctor. Slow wound healing can also indicate other health conditions, so get a proper diagnosis. There you have it, the top 5 signs of vitamin D deficiency you should never ignore. If you suspect a deficiency, consult your healthcare provider. They can order a blood test and recommend dietary changes or supplements. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Thanks for watching.